Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add experience in LinkedIn profile. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your LinkedIn account, you're going to go to the top of the screen and then look for the Me drop-down option. So I want to click on it. And then you go to click on View Profile. You will then be greeted by a profile. And the next thing that you need to do is look for something which says Add Profile Section. So it's over here next to Open To, Add Profile Section. Now, under the heading which says Core, look for something which says Add Position. And as you can see here, we can start adding in our experience, but there's also another way of doing this. So if you scroll all the way down, if you've already added experience before, then finding this option should be quite easy. So next to the heading which says Experience, you're going to see a plus sign. So you're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on Add Position. So now it says Add Experience. So under the heading title, you can add in what you were before or what you are at the moment. So I'm going to say Sales Specialist. Employment type, I would say full-time. And then here under the heading which says Company Name, you're going to add in the company name. I'm going to use Fiverr, for example. Now, if you scroll down again, you're going to see something which says location. So you're going to add in the location of where the area is based, where you work at actually. So I will say London area, United Kingdom. Location type. So you're going to click on this downward triangle. And then I would say on-site. So you scroll down again. So now it says, I'm currently working in this role. So if you're currently working at this job, you can either click on this tick box, click it yes or no. So start date, you choose the month over here, and then the year. And then you're going to scroll down again. So let's say I started in January, year 2020. Scroll down again, end of date. So if I go back to the top and I say that I am no longer working in this position, as you can see there, this option is available for you now. So end date, choose a date, then a year. So I'm going to say I'm currently working in this role. Then I'll scroll down again. So under description, you're going to add in details about the type of work that you do, like what you do in that job and whatnot. So if we scroll down again, it says profile headline, so freelance voice artist, okay. So now we're going to go to the heading which says skills. We recommend adding your top 5 use in this role. So I would use project management, for example. So for this role, I'm going to use sales. So click on that button there. Nonprofit organization plus, click on that as well. And as you can see there, it adds it to the top. So sales, nonprofit organization. Scroll down again. Now, under the heading media, you can add in things like images, documents, sites, or presentations. So you're going to click on this button which says plus add media. So you could either add a link or you can add pictures. So if you want to add a link, you click on add a link and then paste the link over here and then hit apply. Now, if we scroll down again, add media. So you can add a picture there. Find the picture that you want to add and then press open. So if you add the link and you save it, what's going to happen is it's going to save it to your profile and it's going to be displayed to other people. And as you can see there, if I go under the heading which says experience, video editor for Upwork, you can see that the image has been uploaded. So I added a link and they found the picture on the internet and they added it here. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.